Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my first morning routine of 2021. So at the moment, between Monday and Friday, I like to wake up around 6:45 a.m. This way it gives me around 15 minutes to myself in the morning so I can go on my phone, check any notifications, read my book and just have a little bit of me time before my busy day starts.
We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other.
If you wake up one morning and you're struggling a little bit for motivation, I always find that going on Pinterest and just searching quotes really helps, and it puts me in such a good mindset for the rest of the day. I'm then going to grab my book, Good Vibes, Good Life by Bex King, and just read a few pages. I like to do this in the mornings, especially when I've got 15 minutes to myself, and it just really helps me and just sets me in the right mind frame for the rest of the day.
I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you want to do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, and remember this. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you...
I am then going to head downstairs and open any blinds and bits and bobs like that have been closed from the night before, just to let that really lovely winter light in. I'm then going to make my new favourite drink, and I literally have this all the time. I have ice cold water with lemon and ginger. And honestly, it is so delicious, it's so refreshing, and it just makes me feel really good and positive for the rest of the day. So I really recommend this if you haven't tried it. I also like to have it with hot water on days where I'm a little bit colder, but at the moment I'm really enjoying having it with cold water.
Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you.
Usually at this time of day is when Bradley wakes up, and he always makes the bed, and it's so sweet that he filmed this time lapse so I could include it in the video today. He's just the loveliest. At this point I'm then going to head upstairs into my beauty room, open the blinds to let that lovely natural light in, and then I'm going to pop my gym clothes on. So I always feel like in order to feel the part, you need to look the part. So I love putting my whole gym clothes on as if I'm going to the gym, even though I'm only working out downstairs. But I feel like this really helps my motivation, and having nice gym clothes really helps as well. So I'm just going to get changed, get sanitized, and then head downstairs to my home makeshift gym, which is just my spin bike.
Yeah, I need some time. I think I just wanna feel like home, but these days I just feel long gone, and I don't know how to make it right.
I am then gonna head downstairs, grab my cold water bottle from the fridge, and then head over to the front room where my spin bike is. I usually go on this for around half an hour. I'm slowly getting into it. I mean, it's a new year, but I think I want to get on it for around an hour a day at some point. It's just really hard when you haven't worked out for a long time, especially over Christmas, but we can all do it. It's absolutely fine, and it's actually really enjoyable, and you feel really good after you do it.
Time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. I need need some time, sometime. I need some time, sometime. I need some time, sometime. I need some time, 'cause I need some time.
After I have done my spin and also my stretching, I'm then just going to head upstairs into the bathroom and have a little bit of a pamper this morning. I felt like I needed it. So this video is partly sponsored by Foxy Locks, and you guys know I work with them every single month. I'm going to show you guys their incredible brush and also their really lovely hair mask, because it is incredible. This combo is just a dream. As you can see, I hadn't washed my hair for a few days and it was very dry. So I'm using the Foxy Locks Argan Oil Hydrating Hair Mask. This is honestly incredible. So what I like to do with hair masks is pop it on my hair when my hair is the most damaged. So as you can see, my hair is very dry, and I always put hair masks on with my dry hair. A lot of people wash their hair and then put it on, but I personally like to do it when it's at its worst, because I feel like the result is so much better. So I smother my hair in this mask and then pop it in a bun and leave it in my hair for around 20 minutes, I'd say, before I get in the shower. And this way it just leaves it in your hair, it lets it do its thing, and it's honestly incredible. And I can say a few days after, your hair will still smell and look amazing. So while my hair mask is up on my head doing its thing, I'm then going to move on to skincare. All the products that I've used will be in the description box down below, and I want to say a massive thank you to Foxy Locks for working with me once again, because this hair mask is incredible. But we haven't finished there, so I'll show you guys the incredible after result in a little bit.
If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you, but most of all, that deserves you.
So after I've got out of the shower and got dressed, I'm just going to pop on the LMS eye masks and also the Garnier Moisture Bomb tissue mask. Both of these are incredible, and I feel like with winter my skin is a lot drier, so I tend to use these a lot more at the moment, and honestly my skin feels amazing. So I'll leave them on for around 10 to 15 minutes, take it off, and then just rub the excess serum into my skin, and your skin will feel incredible and so hydrated. So moving on to my hair, I always like to do my hair before I do my makeup. You guys know that. So I'm just going to blow dry it and straighten it, and I honestly can't wait for you guys to see the end result from using the Foxy Locks Argan Oil Mask.
And a pretty cold, don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you, but most of all,
I am then just going to do my makeup. I had a lot of bits and bobs to shoot today, so I went a little bit more glam, but that's okay because I feel like, you know, we're in lockdown, it's fine. A little glam didn't hurt anyone, and it makes me feel really lovely and good just to get ready for the day. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how I get ready, what products I love using, then please let me know in the comments down below, and I will love to film that for you.
that he deserves you. Go with someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and a pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm, no. Not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you.
So as you can see, using the Argan Oil Hydrating Mask and the Foxy Locks brush, this is the end result of my hair. I haven't felt my hair this shiny and silky in the longest time. It's honestly incredible, and both of them will last you so long. I mean, obviously the brush will, but the mask will last ages, and I use a lot. So you can see how shiny and silky my hair is, and honestly it feels and smells incredible. I'm then going to head downstairs and make myself my smoothie. This is my new favourite device, and it is a portable smoothie blender. It's game changing, honestly. I feel like there's no more excuses now. There's so much less mess, and it really does work. So you basically charge it the night before, put all your favourite ingredients in for a smoothie, and then you're good to go.
I can tell that you're tough. Just the side of
I am then going to head upstairs into my office and just get loads of work bits done that I needed to complete. So I love to do my lists, of course, you guys know that, and also catch up on any emails and just work out exactly what I need to do this week.
in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past.
Anyway, my lovelies, I am just going to finish off my work for the morning before I need to film for the rest of the day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will list as many of the products in the description box below as I can remember, including the amazing Foxy Locks Argan Oil Mask and also their brush. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are new to my channel, and hopefully I will see you on Thursday for my Amazon haul, which I'm so excited about. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys then.
Keep my heart and soul